Hey beautiful people, how has your week been going? So we are back for another cash envelope stuffing for week 2 of October. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I am an Australian cash stuffer, and if you are returning, thank you so much for always supporting me. I really appreciate it. And let's get cash stuffing. Okay, starting off with our wallet, and for those who are new, I always don't have any leftover money because I do budget the exact amount for my family. So food shop will be getting 150, so 51, 20, 40, 50, 150. I did try to increase it to 170, but it's like something switches onto your brain and you're like, oh, well, we have $20 extra. I am going to now spend that money, even though, you know, we are able to live off $150. It's just crazy. Fuel will be getting $60. So 2 20s and a 10, 2 10s, sorry. So 60. And this is for me and my partner's fuel. Usually he will use about maybe $30 to $40, and I just have to just top up. Takeout will be getting $50, so 2 20s and 2 10s. Oh no, 1 10, sorry. So takeout has 20, 40, 50. So we are done with my wallet. Okay, so on to my bill expense binder. Pipeline will be getting $150, and this is an envelope for any businesses or any income stream that you guys have that is coming in. So Pipeline got $150. Phone bill, YouTube subscription, Netflix subscription, and house insurance bill is all paid for the year. Household will be getting $5. So now it has 10, 15, 25. Luna will be getting $5 as well, and this is our four-legged friend. So Luna now has 10, 15, 25. And we are stuffed for our bill expense binder. Okay, so onto our challenge envelope. For this week, we will be putting in 1, 2, 3, 4 50s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 20s. And 2 10s. So now, challenge has 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 50, 60. So 360 for this week. And let's just put that together with this amount. So we are done stuffing our challenge envelope. Okay, so on to my short-term binder. We will be putting in birthdays, $60, so 50 and a 10. And this already has 60, so let's add that together. So birthday now has 51, 10, 20, $120. Events will be getting $60, so 20, 40, 60, and that is for the baby shower that I have been invited to this weekend. So hopefully that can cover what I want to gift her. Okay, so on to long-term binder, and this is pretty much one of our priority binders that we are focusing on this month. So if you see a gold laugh heart on any of my envelopes, it means that it has been completed for the year and I will not be stuffing them. So Christmas has been fully funded. Grandmama will be getting $35. So it will be getting 20, 10, 5. So 35. Let's put that together. Okay, so Grandmama now has 1, 52, 53, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 10, 25, 35. $435 for Grandmama, which is such a good amount. Power and water, and this will be going towards the last bill of this year. We will be stuffing $255, which will be made up of 1 5, 1 10, 2 20s, and 4 50s. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so let's count together. 51, 52, 20, 40, 55. So 255. And if we count that together with the rest, we now have 51, 52, 53, 50, 70, 90, 410, 30, 40, 55, 60. So $460, which is such a good amount because we only need 650 to be in this envelope, and then we can put a gold laugher on that. So I'm happy with that amount. Rates won't be getting anything as it is fully funded. Target bills will be getting $210. So 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so we have 51, 50, 70, 90, 210. So 210 in target bills. Let's put that together and let's count how much is actually in target bill envelopes. So now we have 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. So $980. Oh my goodness. And we will need to just quickly tick this, mark this off. So 980, tick. And this is just to help me to keep in track with this envelope and to make sure I stuff something, a good amount to reach my goal. Jim will be getting $100, and this is one of the envelopes that we definitely need to get it funded. So 250s here by the end of the year. So Jim now has 51, 52, 20, 40, 50, 60, 75. So $275. And this is for me and my partner's gym membership. Tires is fully funded. Home won't be getting anything, and uni fee won't be getting anything. So we are done stuffing our long-term binder. Okay, thank you so much for joining me in a very quick, I think it's a very quick cash envelope stuffing, only because a lot of the envelopes that I was stuffing had big amounts. So because we definitely want to smash out, you know, October and November, so that in December we have a very fun cash stuffing, and you guys will know what I'm trying to do for next year. I'm trying to prepare for next year. I hope you guys don't mind the nails. I really do love the color, and I just thought it was cute because it had the Halloween themed on it. And all the binders that you see that I have used is in my Etsy store, which a link is provided down below. And the magic phrase is, I will focus less on ... This is where you would need to finish the sentence. Leave a comment down below, and that is a value of $2. That is the magic phrase. And let me start off with that. I will focus less on, I would probably have to say overthinking. I need to stop thinking. I need to stop, you know, procrastinating. No, hang on, wait. I need to stop. That's another good thing as well for me as well, is procrastination. But with overthinking, I definitely need to stop thinking, less on thinking about what if and what should and blah blah. So that is something that I need to work on, and I have been trying to work on for a couple of months now. So yeah, so that is what I need to focus less on, is overthinking. And thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.